Namaskar, Telugu Prajalara. I just want to thank all the Telugu people from the bottom of my heart for all the love. Today is a very special day because today we gave ambulances to multiple districts in Andhra. I always believe that all those small villages and districts which need that medical attention and they don't have those ambulances which a lot of people need during emergencies, because the roads are small, sometimes they don't have that medical facility. And a lot of people had approached me that they need ambulances. So we got 4 ambulances today for Andhra. And I hope they will save a lot of life, that will save a lot of good. And Andhra being very, very close to my heart, all Telugu people being very close to my heart, I want to do a lot of things for this state where, with the guidance of Honorable CM Sir, if you can do some development for the needy people, create some jobs, do some medical, facilities for them. So that's what my motive is, and I'm just trying to do my bit.
Sir, is there any specific reason to select AP, Andhra Pradesh?
I think Andhra is my second home. People love me. They have taught me what I am today. They have made me what I am today. So there's a special love for Andhra. And of course, my wife is from Andhra. She's a Telugu. So more of a reason that, the kind of love that I get from people in Andhra, it's my duty to give back to them. And during COVID, it started the whole journey, and the kind of love that I've got from them, I will always be there for every Telugu person, people from Andhra. I'm just a phone call away. Need anything, I'm always there for you.
People looking at you like a demigod, sir. Is there any political aspirations?
No. I think I love staying as a common man, people's man, where I have their blessings. I think I don't need anything more than that. We have great politicians doing a lot of good stuff. We have Chandrababu sir, who's been a mentor for a lot of people. I think they're doing the great job. Me as a local individual, it's important to give back to the society. When you become big, when you become actors, when you become stars, when you earn a lot of money, I think it's time to give back to the society, because normal people are the ones who made us, and it's now our responsibility to give back to the society.
Sir, Chandrababu Foundation is going to work with government. Direction कुछ दिया?
Like I said, Chandrababu sir कोविड के टाइम से बहुत एक मेरा उनसे एक रिश्ता बना रहा है. I've been in touch with them during COVID. और आज जब यहाँ पे एम्बुलेंसेस देने थे तो मुझे लगा कि आंध्रा इज माई फर्स्ट प्लेस जहाँ पे मुझे देने चाहिए, और उनका भी ब्लेसिंग्स मिला, गाइडेंस मिला. एंड लाइक आई शेयर्ड, आई हैव लॉट ऑफ प्लान्स फॉर पीपल फ्रॉम आंध्रा, एंड आई वुड लव टू डू माई बेस्ट कि मेरा भी कुछ ना कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन रहे to develop some common facilities for the people. So yes, I spoke about it, and hopefully I will see you again with a lot of concrete plans for people for Andhra.
So your foundation is working with the government?
Sorry?
Your foundation is working with the government?
My foundation is working for every common man, and wherever the government's need is there, guidance is there, we try to do that. Like I said, now today when we gave ambulances, someone has to run those ambulances. If I give it to them, someone has to maintain it. The proper drivers are there. So of course we need that support from the government, where whatever we do for the people, so it runs forever.
Sir, how many ambulances and what are the costs?
So we have given 4 ambulances today of all the top with all the top facilities, and I'm sure once people use these ambulances for other districts also which are needy, we'll give those sets. It's got all the facilities, all emergency facilities, whatever you need. It's been provided with state-of-art ambulances, and of course, it'll be helpful for the people.
Can you reveal the cost of the?
I think cost is not important. It's emotion that is important. I feel money is very small thing. What is important is to save lives. Yeah.
Have you Have you specified that these ambulances can be used anywhere else in districts of Andhra?
And I think any needy person who needs any kind of medical facility, it's just a phone call away. I think 108 is the number for the emergency thing, and I think they'll be just a phone call away, and anywhere anyone needs it, we will provide more.
Sir, particularly you have any selection of districts for this for
So they have already done the homework for few needy districts. Like I said, the districts which are more needy, they'll give it to them first. But I would say the government authorities are in a better knowledge to know which districts have an utmost necessity. They'll give it to them, and they'll do their bit.
सर अपना पहले भी कर चुके हैं ये आंध्र प्रदेश
Illur and Chittur, na? Yeah, Chittur is also there. I think the farmer thing also was in Chittur only. Yeah, the tractor thing also. Yeah, Nageshwara was also there. So yes, like I said, God guides us, and we are here for you.
सर किसी दूसरे स्टेट को भी दिया है सिर्फ आंध्र प्रदेश
Abhi, we started with Andhra. Yes, Andhra is the first place. Yeah.
Sir, what CM sir said to you?
Sorry, sir.
CM sir.
सीएम ने क्या कहा
He was very happy. I think he believes that when someone thinks for a common man, it's a good thing, and it inspires also a lot of people. And he's a visionary. He's thinking so much for the common man, for the people. So I'm sure he was very happy that we took that first step and we started.
About the brand ambassador of
I think that you tell CM sir to make one. I'm ready.
आप पवन कल्याण से मुलाकात हुई क्या?
I haven't met Pawan Kalyan Garu, but whenever next time I come, I love to meet him. Yeah.
सर
Any projects?
Sorry?
थोड़ा दूसरा मतलब बाहर का कुछ नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ सर
जी।
आपने कहा आंध्र प्रदेश आपका दूसरा होम टाउन है
जी।
लेकिन 2022 के बाद आप कोई मूव किया पिछले 3 साल से तेलुगु में कोई काम किया नहीं
वो तो प्रोड्यूसर से पूछोगे आप मेरे से ना
No,
पूछोगे.
I'm interested.
Of course, I will love to. Because I was busy with Fateh.
Fateh,
I was producing it, writing and directing the film also. But when you become a writer and a director, it takes a lot of time. So I was busy with Fateh. It got released on 10th of January. The film is doing very, very well. We are running into the 4th week. In fact, we are starting the sequel also of the film Fateh very, very soon. So which is a good thing. And of course, like I said, I learned cinema from my Telugu audience and the kind of love that they got. Just a phone call away, whenever they call me, Sonu Sood is always there for them.
There is expectation that you are only doing anti-hero or hero kind of things only. You are not.
No, whatever, good roles, I will do it. There's no speculations. An artist is always an artist.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.